Good morning, Priya. Are you ready for today's client meeting?
Good morning, Rahul. Almost ready. I was just checking the presentation one last time.
Great. I think the slides look good, especially the opening page.
Thanks. But I feel the budget slide is a little too detailed.
Yeah, I thought the same. Maybe we should use a chart instead of so much text.
Good idea. That will make it easier for the client to understand.
Can you update it before lunch?
Sure, I'll do it right away.
Perfect. The meeting starts at 3 p.m., so we still have some time.
Okay. By the way, did the manager review our report?
Yes, and he was very impressed with your work.
Really? That's great to hear.
You did an amazing job.
Thanks, Rahul. We worked well as a team.
Absolutely. Let's make today's presentation successful too.
Definitely. I'm feeling confident.